Hi, my name is Anne. I'm in Year 4, and this is my robot, the ArtBot. I chose to make them an innovative item for the future. The ArtBot was created to help people who have lost or have no arms, educational purposes, and entertainment purposes. I also designed the robot to help disadvantaged people. They could control the robot using their feet, or even cooler, when we develop a more intelligent robot, they could command it using brainwaves or voice activation. Now, let's look at the parts. The ArtBot has 6 parts: 4 DC motors, a servo motor, a CPU board, a battery case, a receiver board, and a remote control. Think of the CPU board as the brain of the robot. The DC motors are used to move the robot around. The servo motor is used to hold the art tool and move it up and down. You can use whatever art tool you want with this. The battery case to power it. The remote control is whenever you press a button on the remote control, that signal gets sent to the receiver board, and the receiver board tells the CPU board the information. Now let me show you what makes this robot special. The code. The code of this robot was written inside a while block, or while loop. A while loop runs a specific task while a certain condition is met. Using a combination of buttons, we can perform 4 different patterns of movement. The first one is basic navigation. This moves the robot backwards, forwards, left, and right. Second of all, I programmed a full circle and a half circle. I did the full circle by spinning the robot on the spot with an interval of 2.8 seconds. And for a half circle, I did an interval of 1.4 seconds. Next up, a zigzag. I coded it by spinning on the spot with one motor going slower than the other, with a delay code of 0.2 and 0.3 seconds. Lastly, tracing lines. I coded this by putting it in a normal loop, moving it forwards, stopping, moving the servo up, forwards, stopping, moving the servo down, and so on. The time delay is shown on the screen, and that is my programming. Now, let's take the ArtBot into action. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. I hope you will enjoy the artwork that my robot creates in the following demonstration.